Lovelies, what if I told you that you can make money online without being an influencer, without dancing on TikTok, and without posting everything you do on daily basis on social media? Most people think social media is the only path to online income, but that's far from the truth. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free ways to make money online that anyone can start today, even as a complete beginner. Make sure you stay until number 5 because that's one of the most overlooked opportunities online right now. Welcome back, lovelies. This video idea was brought in by our most engagers. Some of them are not on social media by the way. Some of them, they don't post here on YouTube, they don't post on Facebook. In fact, they only just come to support us, to learn, and to go away. And they always ask, what can we do without coming on social media, without dancing on social media, without being influencers and looking for what to promote? We want to make money. Don't mind, this is a right video for you. I'm bringing for you the 5 ways, of which I've used some of them and others have been used by others. Yeah, there is a big misconception. Most people think that for you to earn money online, you have to dance on TikTok, you have to make a challenge. No, that is not the case. Go with me today. But before we dive into the 5 ways of making money online other than using social media platform, other than being an influencer, other than being a blogger, be with me and I give you what we do to make sure that some of us can have money without dancing on TikTok. You guys, allow me appreciate all our top engagers. You're so awesome. You've made us come every day, irrespective of anything. Don't forget, I always tell you a very big disclaimer that this videos or Immaculate show is for educational purposes. We are not telling that the moment you start with us, the moment you follow us, you're going to be a pro, you're going to make money. No. You are going to learn here, get tips, go research. If you find them working for you, is okay. If they don't work for you, you can shift, you can go to another, something else. So, do you know, our top engagers bring us every day, and they're the reason that we have been here for some time. So if you've been with us for the last 5 years, we love you so much. If you've been with us for 2 years, 1 year, and even if you know you have just come across our video, we love you so much. What you need to do, subscribe, share these videos such that someone out there should know that there is making money online, but terms and conditions apply. Can we dive in and see what are other ways of making money online other than dancing on TikTok, and other than being an influencer of certain shop, other than being an influencer of some services? The first one, we are going to look at freelancing. When we are talking about freelancing, I know most people have followed us for 5 years. Freelancing is something that it has been in our videos most often, but this is the fastest way of making money online. Why? If you have a skill, if you have there is something that you know what to do best. When we are talking about skills, we are looking about like the graphic designers, we are looking on video editors, the writers, the virtual assistants. We are looking at people who can manage like transcription. Like this video we are doing, you should have done transcription. We are looking at people who can do data entry, who can manage Facebook, YouTube, who can manage social media platforms, who can manage websites. There's someone out there who say, Immaculate, I can do the engagement for you. Your engagement is so poor. The way you are answering people on your platform, you can do that. So the best part is that you don't need thousands of followers, by the way. No. You don't need to be to have a big clientele. No. The only thing you need is you to have a skill and get a client that is willing to pay for your skill. So if you're out there, you get to know that you don't need to be on social media for you to start earning money online. Then the second one is print on demand. Print on demand, most people have made money out of this. And what is print on demand? Print on demand, it allows you to sell digital products even when you don't have a shop. What are these? You don't have a shop, you don't have an inventory, you don't have startup capital, you don't need to do that, to have that for you to start print on demand. What do you need to do? What you need to do here, for you, when you press order, the company prints and ships the products for you. You don't need even, you are the mediator. You don't need to be, there is something that my friend did for me, like cups, like t-shirts, like, you know, those gifts. So you simply create designs for you yourself, and these designs also, you don't need to have skills. You can use AI tools, then you upload them to print on demand platforms. And we have different print on demand platforms. If you don't know them, please put in the comment section, I'll get for you. This can become a source of passive income over time when you don't know. A lot of people, they just want quick money. They want to start today and get money today. No, this is passive income. Let's see affiliate marketing through blogs, even emails. You guys, many people think affiliate marketing is only works on social media. No, it's not on social media. You can do it in different ways. You can do it in other platforms. You can do it in blogs. You can do it on websites. You can do it through emails. You can create a simple blog, by the way. Like, you do a blog, you do write-up articles, you build an email list. Do you know how to build an email list? Put it in the comment section. Then when people click your affiliate links, they make purchases, you get money. Even if they don't buy that same product that you put, they go buy through your link, they buy another product. If you had put a product for this double mug tea, let me first. If you had put a product of this, if they enter through the product of this mug, but they buy this glass, you will get commission. So this one is very easier and okay. So what you need to do, you need to focus on solving common problems by just focusing on promoting useful products. And for you to get these useful products, you can use Google Trends, you can use ChatGPT, you can even know exactly what are people looking for in this, instead of going for random products. Let's say online surveys and user testing. This was my first platform that gave the first way of making money online that gave me around $10. I remember I started with a platform called Paid Work. Paid Work is one of the platforms that you can do surveys, you can test platforms, you can learn skills, you can run ads and video ads. So, you know, you generate some extra cash. This one might not be too much money, but it makes you get some cash, such that you cannot fail to buy a mug of coffee, you cannot fail to take your friends outside, you cannot fail to have some backup, some cash. So remember, every company that you see that is coming up, as far as online is concerned, every app, every platform, every phone that comes up, it has users first. There are people who use it first. So people no longer go to look for individuals outside there and put an advert, say we want 10 people to come and test this. No. What they do, they use platform, and these platforms, you can earn from them through testing their apps, through testing phones, through doing surveys and other things. So businesses want real opinions right now before launching any product, and they are willing to pay for them. So if you're there, you can dive into. So number 5 is selling digital products. You can buy my book, by the way. These are my favorite method that right now most people are using it, like ebooks, templates, checklists, planners, and even digital art, without forgetting study guides. So you guys, remember all these ones. You're not investing anything. The truth is that making money online is not dancing on TikTok. No, it is not being an influencer somewhere. Making money online is very broad. You don't need to change trends. You don't need to be there and start fighting